In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the client portal login page in HoneyBook. Branding setup 2026. First, open your browser and head to honeybook.com. Sign into your account using your usual credentials. If you're prompted for any security verification, such as a code or device approval, complete that before proceeding. For this workflow, make sure you're using an account with permissions to update company branding. Once you're in, you'll land on the HoneyBook dashboard. This is your home base, and everything we need is in the left-hand sidebar, which serves as the main navigation. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this panel if you're new, because we'll use it frequently for settings and branding updates. Click Settings in the left menu. In the Settings area, look for the Company section. Open that, then select Client Portal and Domain. This is where your client-facing experience lives, and it's the right place to fine-tune how your portal looks and feels. Scroll down until you see the Client Portal Preview. This preview is helpful because you'll be able to see changes as you make them, which keeps your branding consistent and eliminates guesswork. Next, click the Customize button. Make sure you're customizing the login page specifically. This is the first impression clients get before they enter the portal, so a few thoughtful tweaks go a long way. Start with the background color. Choose a brand color that complements your logo and meets accessibility standards. Aim for strong contrast between the background and the text so your sign-in fields and buttons are clear and easy to read. Toggle Show Logo to display your brand mark on the page. Then choose the logo shape that best fits your file and brand guidelines. Square works well for icons or emblem-style marks, while full is ideal for full-width word marks. If your logo looks cropped or cramped, switch shapes and check the preview until it's balanced. Update the title to something concise and on-brand, like "Welcome to our client portal." Keep it friendly and professional, and avoid adding sensitive details. The title should reassure clients they're in the right place without overwhelming them. When you're happy with the adjustments, make sure to save your changes. Don't navigate away before saving, or the updates won't stick. After saving, review the preview once more to confirm everything looks correct. That's it. You've customized the HoneyBook Client Portal login page to align with your brand, creating a polished, cohesive experience for your clients from the very first click.